Teachers' Day is observed on September 5, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepillai Radhakrishnan, an exemplary teacher and the second President of India. Dr. Sarvepillai Radhakrishnan was a philosopher, scholar, and a politician who dedicated his life towards the education and the youth of the country.
Once Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan had said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." Since in 1962, the tradition of celebrating Teachers' Day has started in India. In the honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and all the teachers.
As the common adage goes, the future of the country lies in the hands of its children. Teachers as mentor can mold a student into future leader who shape destiny of India. They play an important role in our lives to become successful in career and business.
They help us to become a good human being, a better member of the society, and an ideal citizen of the country. Teachers' Day is celebrated to acknowledge the challenges, the hardships, and the special role that teachers play in their lives.
Namaskar. Teachers' Day is one such event for which students and teachers equally look forward to. This day is important for the students as it gives them a chance to glorify the efforts put in their teacher to ensure that they get proper education. Similarly, teachers also look forward to Teachers' Day as their efforts get recognized and honored by students and other agencies as well. Thank you.
He also said that India should regain the status of Vishwaguru, leader in education, by giving higher respect to teachers, whom he asked to encourage students to think critically about issues concerning nation. He told that teachers' determination and sincerity will shape the destiny of the nation as they are laying foundation and building block of the society. Thank you.
On the Teachers' Day, students hold different kinds of activities to entertain their beloved teachers at school and college. Yes, of course, they also organize many games for their teachers and offer valuable gift to their beloved teacher to express their gratitude and love.
Teachers' Day is a great occasion for celebrating and enjoying relationship between teachers and students. So meet your teachers on the day and convey your wishes. If they are far, then send them messages and make his or her day memorable.
It is rightly said that teaching is not a service, profession, or a job. It is the pillar of the society. Happy Teachers' Day.